Hello students. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is a flying together. The lesson is very interesting. But before starting the lesson, let's see one picture. See on your screen there is a one picture of a tree. That tree is a very green and leafy. Leafy means full of lots of leaves. Then on that tree, see there are white birds. These birds are called geese. Geese are the large wave-footed white birds. See, lot of geese are sitting on there. Yeah, in that geese, there is a one old white bird. See, that bird has wore a specs. He looks old than others. See, at the foot of the tree, there is a one small creeper is a plant that needs a support to grow. See, there is a small creeper. That creeper is trying to climb on the tree. Creeper means plant that needs support to grow. See, all these birds are talking with each other. They are discussing with each other. And our old bird, which looks wise, he is trying to tell something to the birds. Now let's see the lesson. Let's start the lesson. See, flying together. What are some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? See, your parents and your teachers always tell you something for your good habits, for your betterment. Get up in the morning, do your homework, pack your school bag. These are the common instructions given by our parents as well as the teachers. But what happened when you didn't do as they ask you to do? See, what happened when you avoid these instructions? Let's see with the help of this lesson what happened when we avoid our elders instructions. Deep in a forest, a very tall tree, its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. See, there is a deep forest, there is a thick forest. In that forest, there is a very tall tree. It is a leafy. This tree was the home of a flock of the wild geese. They felt safe there. Once of the geese was a wise old bird. See, on that leafy tree, on that big tree, tall tree, there is a flock of wild geese was living. Then they all this flock of wild geese was living on that tree, and they felt safe there. But in them there is a one old wise bird. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. In this picture, in this picture, at the foot of the tree, there is a small creeper. Creeper is a plant that needs support to grow. When that old bird saw that creeper, at that time he started to spoke to the other birds about it. That old bird said, "Do you see that creeper?" He said to them, "Let us destroy it." See, that old bird advised other birds. He said that let's cut or let's destroy that creeper. "Why must we destroy it?" asked the geese in surprise. "It is so small. What harm can it do? What harm can it do?" See, the other birds asked the old bird. They said that it is so small and it is harmless. See, my friends, replied the wise old bird, that little creeper will soon grow. As it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong. See, again and again, that old bird advising them that let's cut it because it is so small now, but in future it will be grow. "What of that?" asked the geese. "What harm can a creeper do us?" See, all these other birds are neglecting the advice given by the old bird. "Don't you see?" replied the wise bird. "With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all." See what happened? That bird again and again instructing other birds that it is so small, so we can cut it. If it will be grow in future, it will be grow in future. It is possible for someone to climb the tree. Maybe it will be hunter. See, well, there's no hurry, they replied. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it. Now, again, all these birds avoided the advice given by the old bird. They are saying that there is no hurry now. The creeper is very small. destroy the creeper while it is still young. The old bird advised. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. Again and again that old bird advising them that it is small now, it is tender now, so we can cut it easily, but in future it will be hard and it is not, then it will be very difficult for us to cut it down, otherwise it will not be able to cut it for us because it will be strong in the future. We will see, answered the birds, but they did not destroy the creeper. See, again that birds rejected the advice given by the old bird. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding up its way up the tree. See, in that picture, you can see that creeper became strong now and it's winding up. Winding up means what? Go in a circular, spiral course. See, go in a circular shape. See that creeper. You can see which was very small at the beginning of the lesson. We had seen that it was so small, but now after few days it became so strong and it winding means go in circular shape, winding to the tree. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as a thick rope. Now see that creeper became so strong just like a rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. One day, what happened? One hunter came in that forest and he saw that leafy big tree and big tree. At that time, he said that yes, this is a. He said that it is a big tree and it is a home of the wild geese. So this is where the wild geese live. He said to himself, when they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. See, that hunter is climbing up the tree with the help of that creeper. And that hunter looking very happy. He has spread his net on that tree and he decided that he will catch all the birds. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. He got to the top and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. See, hunter spread his net on that tree and he climbed up that tree with the help of that creeper. With the help of that creeper, now creeper became very strong, just like a rope. And with the help of that creeper, that hunter climbed the tree and he spread all his net there to catch all the birds. Then spread his in the evening the geese returned home. They did not notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. They struggled hard to get out but could not. See, there is a bad thing happened with them. All these birds were caught in the net. When at the time of evening they came back to their home on the tree. At that time they did not notice the net which was spread by the hunter, and when they and automatically they got trapped in the net. They struggle hard to get out, to get rid of, but could not. Help, help, cried the geese. We are caught in the net. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? So see, all these birds looking very anxious, looking very sad because all were trapped in the net, and they were shouting for the help, They are calling for the help. Then see, don't make a fuss now, said the wise old bird. Long ago, I long ago, I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning, the hunter will come back and kill us all. See that old bird who has wore specs. He said that long ago I told you, I warn you that to destroy the creeper, to cut the creeper, but all of you avoid my instruction. You, all of you, rejected my advice. Now see, now don't make a fuss now, don't make a noise now. Tomorrow morning that hunter will come and kill us all. See, we were foolish, wept the birds. We are very sorry. We did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. See, all these birds looking very sad now. Now they accepted their mistake, their foolishness, and again they are requesting to the old bird that please give us, or please tell us the suggestion. Please tell us the solution. Then listen carefully, replied the wise bird. Again that wise bird, again that old bird started to give them a advice, started to give them a solution. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Just lie still. The hunter will not want dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down. And collect the dead birds and them home. See, that old bird suggested a solution to the birds. He said that pretend just like a dead. You see, one solution suggested by the old bird. He said that if now you all are caught in the net, so listen carefully. You just pretend just like a dead. Just lie still without any movement. The hunter will not want a dead birds. So what happened? He will release you. He will free you from the net and will throw you on the ground because he don't want a dead birds. It will then be easy for him to climb down. He will collect all the dead birds and take them home. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. See the solution suggested by the old bird. He said that pretend just like a dead, just lie still, don't move till our last bird will be freed by him. And when that hunter will free the last of us, will release the last of us, at that time we must quickly get up and fly away. In the morning the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. See, next day at the morning that hunter came and he saw that all birds are caught in the net. See, they are all dead. He muttered himself when that hunter saw that all birds already caught in the net. But one thing, they are all dead because they lied there very very silently, just like a dead birds. Then he muttered to himself. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then all at once they got up, flapped their wings, and flew away. See what happened when that hunter removed the last bird and thrown away on the ground. Suddenly, suddenly all birds got up and flapped their wings and flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree he watched all the geese fly away. See, that hunter is looking surprised. See, because all the birds suddenly fly away, and he was looking very surprised. Arey, how it is happen? He is looking very surprising. Then see, this lesson teaches us that we should not avoid or neglect the advice or the instruction given by our elders. Otherwise, just like the birds, maybe we come in trouble. See, let's see the new words. See, geese. Geese is a plural for goose, large wave-footed birds. Goose is a one bird. Geese is a plural form. Geese means large wave-footed birds. Creeper means plant that needs support to grow, usually along a wall or a tree. Winding, go in circular spiral course. Mutter means spoken in a low tone. Flap, move wings up and down. So see student, this lesson is very interesting, very beautiful. It teaches us something, that we should follow the instruction given by our elders, teachers, or the parents. I hope you have better understood it. So in our next period we will see the remaining our part.